Good morning. As I told you yesterday, the complete summary of the chapter A Letter to God. प्यारे छात्रों, जैसा मैंने आपको कल आपका जो फर्स्ट फ्लाइट बुक है उसका पहला चैप्टर लेटर टू गॉड उसकी समरी बताई थी, उसमें से कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपको दिए थे। एक उम्मीद मुझे आपसे हर वक्त रहती है कि आप जो टीचर्स आपको गाइड करने की कोशिश करें, आपके इस बहुत कठिन समय में आपको गाइड करने की कोशिश करते हैं, आप उनको बिल्कुल इग्नोर न करें, उनकी बातों पर ध्यान दें और अपने आप को इस जो क्राइसिस आपके सामने बनी है इससे निकालने की कोशिश करें। तो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि वो क्वेश्चंस आपने निकाल लिए होंगे, उनका हल आपने ढूंढे होंगे। मैंने आपको बताया था टू द पॉइंट आपको रहना है, उससे बाहर नहीं जाना है और ऐसा ही आपने किया होगा और मैं समझता हूँ अच्छे परिणाम आपको मिलने वाले हैं। इसलिए बिल्कुल आपको ऐसा कुछ चिंतित होने की बात नहीं कि आप कुछ सीख नहीं रहे हैं। आप सीख रहे हैं, आप अच्छे तरीके से जा रहे हैं, बहुत तरीके आप जानते हैं अच्छे तरीके से। कुछ हम लोग आपको गाइड करने की कोशिश करेंगे तो सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा। नथिंग टू वरी, नथिंग टू हरी डियर स्टूडेंट्स। टुडे एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क few questions, almost 12 to 13 questions out of the whole chapter. पूरे के पूरे चैप्टर से मैं आज आपको 12 या 13 प्रश्न आपके सामने रखने जा रहा हूँ जो आपके टेक्स्ट बेस्ड होंगे। उनको आप सभी ध्यान से देखेंगे, सुनेंगे। You will write down them to and find out their answers in a positive frame of mind. As you know, as I told you yesterday, don't take risk. Don't go beyond the boundaries. Inside the premises, find out the answers. You have the capability. Not only you have the capability, but you have dedication. You have very good understanding, dear students. I know. You are well dressed and you are punctual enough. And you have a good mind set up to find out the solutions and to put your studies ahead through your geniusness and through your efforts. And then questions, listen these questions very carefully. The first question, now we are going to get some water woman. This was the statement. This is a statement. Who said this and to whom? हम कुछ आज हमें बारिश पानी मिलने जा रहा है, हम बहुत खुश हैं। ये किसने किसको कहा था? इसका आंसर यू हैव टू फाइंड द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. What could easily be seen from the crest of the low hill and where was the crest? Simple question. Question number 3. When Lencho was hopeful, what happened suddenly? When Lencho was hopeful about getting some rain as per his requirement, what happened suddenly? Then dear students, these 3 questions are belonging to first 3 paragraphs. Now question number 4. Describe the ruins or destruction in the context of Lencho's feelings. लेंचो की जो भावना है उसको संदर्भित करते हुए आपको ये बताना है कि क्या क्या उसने देखा, क्या नष्ट हो गया था, क्या तहस नहस हो गया था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. There was a single hope left for Lencho. What was the hope? Very important question, dear student. If one question comes from this chapter in your exams, then consider this will be followed. This is such an important question. I repeat it once again. There was a single hope left for Lencho, and what was the hope? Very important. Next question. What did Lencho do on the following Sunday? When everything was lost, an idea struck in the mind of Lencho and he went somewhere. Where did he go and what did he do the next following Sunday? Next, who went to the boss and what did he do? I give you some clues about it. The one employee of the post office helped in his boss to find out the solution of this. So you must take it very easily and you will find its answer properly too. Next, its answer properly too. Next, the postmaster came up with an idea. When everything was in control and the postmaster got the information, then what did the postmaster do? And it is said an idea struck in his mind. What was the idea? This is the question. What was the idea in the mind of the postmaster? Dear students, these 5 questions are belonging to para 4 to para 5. Now question number next. Question number next, very important once again. Who handed over the letter to Lencho himself? Who handed over the letter to Lencho himself? And what did they do there? Question number 10. What was the deepest faith and confidence of Lencho about God? Very, very important questions once again. No, question number next, and I think question number 11. No sooner the letter fell into the mailbox, who opened it and got the letter? The letter was mailed by Lencho, who went to the mailbox and who opened the mailbox and who got the letter first. Question number 12. How many pesos were demanded by Lencho from God as help? You know, Lencho made an attempt to find the help from God. He wrote a letter, and in his letter he asked for some money. And how many pesos did he demand, and what reached to Lencho? Was his demand fulfilled, or it was shortly cut out? Then how many pesos sent to Lencho? What was his demand? This is the question. This is a very simple question, dear students. If you are aware, if you thought things properly in your way, this is my guideline. Think the matter in your own way. What the others are doing, दूसरे क्या कर रहे हैं, इससे आपको कोई लेना देना नहीं है. आप अपनी भाषा में सोचिए, अपने आप समझिए उनको, तो आप बहुत बेहतर तरीके से समझ पाएंगे इन चीज़ों. And question, last question, very important question, it related to your conscience. The question is, what lesson do you learn from this chapter, letter to God? Okay? Now these are the questions. You will have to find out the proper answers. ये प्रश्न आपके सामने आ गए हैं. सभी प्रश्नों के उत्तर आपको अपनी नोटबुक में लिखने हैं. प्रश्न आपको बता दिए गए हैं. Note down these questions and note down their answers too. Remember, the answer should be inside the limitations. Okay, because time management has a great role when you are in your exams. Dear students, now I am going to give you few difficult words. It is also an important part of a lesson that there are few difficult words and phrases in every chapter, and you will have to dictate them, you will have to justify them, you have to find out the meanings and uses of these one. Then the meanings. The first word valley, V-A-L-L-E-Y, valley. The second one crest, C-R-E-S-T. The third downpour, D-O-W-N-P-O-U-R. Next shower, S-H-O-W-E-R, shower. Next predicted, P-R-E-D-I-C-T-E-D. Next approaching, A-P-P-R-O-A-C-H-I-N-G. Next exclaimed, E-X-C-L-A-I-M-E-D, exclaimed. Next hailstones. Next destroyed. Next solitary. Next conscience. Next envelope. These are the meanings I am going to give you to find the proper meaning of them. Next amiable, A-M-I-A-B-L-E, envelope, E-N-V-E-L-O-P, evident, E-V-I-D-E-N-T. Next resolution, R-E-S-O-L-U-T-I-O-N, resolution. Next charity, C-H-A-R-I-T-Y, charity. Next contentment, C-O-N-T-E-N-T-M-E-N-T, contentment. Next slight, S-L-I-G-H-T. Next wrinkling, W-R-I-N-K-L-I-N-G, wrinkling. Next express, E-X-P-R-E-S-S. So these are the meanings, and out of these I try to find out few phrases. The first phrase, a man working like an animal. It is said about Lancho. An animal. It is said about Lancho. Next, broke out. P-R-O-K-E, broke out. Next, with a blow of fist. With a blow of fist. And a bunch of crooks. Very important phrase, a bunch of crooks. So many times you might have read it and you might have observed it. It is used naturally and it is used mostly. A bunch of crooks. Then dear students, I hope that you have enjoyed it, because I know without your deep interest, without your enjoyment, nothing can happen in your favor. So when you read or study these clips, be very scintillating, your mood should be fresh, आपका मूड बिल्कुल शांत होना चाहिए, प्रसन्नचित्त होना चाहिए और आप एकाग्र होने चाहिए, तब जाकर के जितने भी चैप्टर्स आपको बताए जा रहे हैं आप उनके माध्यम से उनको सीख सकते हैं, बशर्ते कि एक शर्त उसके अंदर ये होती है कि आप प्रसन्नचित्त हो, खुश हो, समझने में आपकी इच्छा हो, आप डीपली उसको समझने की कोशिश करें। प्यारे छात्रों, ये प्रोसेस चलता रहेगा। अब इसमें हम आपको कोशिश करते हैं कि अपना सर्वश्रेष्ठ आपको दें, अपनी वो भाषा का प्रयोग करें जिस भाषा को आप सबसे सुंदर तरीके से, सबसे अच्छे तरीके से, सुदृढ़ तरीके से, मजबूती से जिसको आप पकड़ सकें, हम उस भाषा का प्रयोग करते हैं। इसके बावजूद भी कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी रह सकती हैं कि आपको समझ नहीं आती है, उनके लिए आप हमें डायरेक्ट कॉल कर सकते हैं। हम आपके लिए और आपकी सेवा के लिए, अपने बच्चों के लिए, अपने बच्चों को कोई नुकसान न हो, उनकी इच्छा शक्ति प्रबल बनी रहे, इसके लिए हम पूर्ण सजग हैं। और यदि आप हमसे संपर्क करने की कोशिश करते हैं तो आप केवल आशा न रखें बल्कि विश्वास रखें, हम सबसे पहले आपके लिए खड़े होंगे, क्योंकि इस क्राइसिस में आपको जिस हेल्प की सहायता की ज़रूरत है हम उसके लिए तैयार हैं। अब मैं आपको नेक्स्ट अगले चैप्टर में मिलता हूँ। इस चैप्टर को आप पूर्ण रूप से तैयार करें और अगले चैप्टर में फिर मुलाकात होगी। तब तक के लिए ऑल द बेस्ट, गुड बाय, थैंक यू।